Hi friend, I came with two or three important opportunity. So first is from the PwC. They are hiring for intern or trainee. So job location is Gurugram and it is full-time role. And end date for this is Jan 2023. Remember friend, they have not mentioned the referral, but this is a referral hiring. So you should go to the LinkedIn and connect some PwC person and ask them referral. Okay. So this is one of the important opportunity and everyone should apply, and specialism is operation in management level, that is intern trainee. So these are the job description, you can go through it, and these will be the responsibility, means you will be responsible for support a client organization, improve its efficiency, define a problem through consultation with client, support team information through research and correlation to different reports. And these are the mandatory skill sets they are demanding. Okay, that is excellent communication skill, high motivated self starter, and these all. So eligible means education qualification for this is BE BTech. Okay, coming to our next hiring, that is from the Vyrazu lab. Okay, and they are hiring for the software developer, associate software developer, and job location is Salt Lake Sector 5. Qualification BTech Computer Science and MCA. Okay, and these are the technical skills requirement. And important note that there is 24 months employment bond is mandatory. Okay, so 2-year bond hai, and no resignation allowed during the first 24 months. So these are the important things they have mentioned, and I will provide link in the description, you can apply through it. Okay, and who are basically eligible? So freshers are eligible. Okay, 0 to 1 year experience, they are also eligible. Next important job opportunity for the MTech students. So MTech off campus hiring 2025, LNT Jan 20, last date is Jan 20, and this is the compensation, that is 5,50,000. Okay, and total compensation including annualized DRP, that is 6,33,000. And you can go through the job description and all things, so I will provide link in the description, you can apply for it. Next important opportunity from the Katina skills, they are hiring for software developer, and package is 5.8 lakh per year. Okay, and job location is Chandigarh, and these are the job highlight. Only final year students or recent graduate, means 2026 as well as 2025 students are eligible for this role, and you can go through the job description and other important. Okay, eligibility final year students and must be from computer science or IT or related background. Okay, and you will gain these things, and CTR vary from 5 LPA to 8 LPA depending on your performance. Okay, so go and apply, I will provide all link in the description. And for getting such important job update, make sure to subscribe us. Thank you.